How to update TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to update your TurboTax software, then the first thing you want to do is open up TurboTax software. Now there will be automatic updates available in the application itself. For that, go to online menu. Now select check for updates. If an update is available, TurboTax will download and install it automatically. However, if you are not able to do this and you want to manually update it, then what you want to do is search for manual TurboTax update in any web browser, then open up this support page over here. Now you want to close TurboTax and all other programs except this browser window. Now click on this link over here to download the update. Now save the update file to your Windows desktop. Double-click the update file on your desktop to install the manual update. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.